I'm Albert Troskie, and I grew up in Somerset East in the Eastern Cape, and I've been in Kuberga for the past 40 years. I was head of the music department here, and I've retired since, but I'm still very active in different fields of classical music. Well, we encourage people, of course, to start making music themselves. We create young organists. At the moment, I'm very much involved with the musical development of the community. I'm the concert organizer for the Feather Market Organ Society, and I'm arranging 10 concerts a year in the Feather Market Centre. I'm also very active in the Port Elizabeth Music Society with Dr. Erika Botma, and we also organize classical concerts in the auditorium. We are very much involved in the outreach programs also. In the Feather Market we have one open day for schools per year, and we get 1,000 kids there and introduce them to the organ and to other sorts of music, because they create the future audiences for our concerts. Yes, the challenges are always, of course, financial, but we have the wonderful support of the City Council of Kuberga. It is so rewarding to get feedback from people after a concert, and I love playing myself, of course, and I'm still privileged that I can play at my age, and we do outreach into the country. We've played all over the Eastern Cape, won battles year after year, and to get some recognition is wonderful. That's plain and simple.